Want to build a money-making affiliate blog without spending months writing? In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a full affiliate blog using ChatGPT, and you can do it in just one day. No tech skills, no expensive writers, just AI and a laptop. Step 2. Find winning keywords. Tell ChatGPT, generate 50 long-tail SEO keywords for smart home gadgets targeting US audiences. Focus on keywords like best smart plugs for Alexa. Step 3. Plan your blog structure. Homepage blog posts page about me. Page affiliate disclosure page. Step 4. Generate blog posts. Use ChatGPT prompts, like write a 1,000-word SEO blog post titled Best Smart Plugs for Alexa Homes. 2025 updated. Include product recommendations with Amazon affiliate links. Step 5. Set up your blog. Use Bluehost, Hostinger, or SiteGround. Cheap hosting. Install WordPress. Use free themes like Astra or GeneratePress. Post your articles. Step 6. Monetize with affiliate links. Sign up for Amazon Associates or share a sale. Insert your links inside your articles. Here's a live example. I used ChatGPT to create a full smart home blog called smartspaceliving.com. In 30 days, it ranked for 5 low-competition keywords and started earning its first Amazon commissions. No writers, no SEO pros, just AI. Ready to build your own AI-powered affiliate blog? Grab my free blog setup checklist linked in the description. It shows you every tool and prompt I used. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe and turn on the bell if you want daily AI+ affiliate marketing hacks.